Hey, Channel Insiders. I'm your host, Katie Bavoso, and welcome to this episode of Partner POV, brought to you by Eaton. The physical infrastructure powering and supporting your customers' technology environments can be a challenging space to serve while staying profitable as a solution provider or reseller. Customers want to make investments for the long term, but providers need to be able to see the return on that investment. So how can you strike that balance? To answer that question and more, I'm now joined by Sami Hussaini, Product Line Manager at Eaton. Welcome, Sami.
Thanks, Katie. It's great to be here today. And I appreciate the time to discuss our Eaton solutions and how to enable our partner community to maximize their profits.
I'm very excited to talk about it too, Sami. So why don't we start out by building on some more context to what I addressed in my introduction. What is impacting customer buying habits when it comes to their physical infrastructure, and what related solutions is the market trending toward the most?
There's a couple focus areas for today's conversation. The first one, Lithium-ion UPS. And it's one of the leading technology trends that we've been talking about a lot on the single-phase UPS side. So that's one. A second would be cybersecurity. The cybersecurity message via our network management card or gigabit network card sends a great message and tells a great story around cybersecurity. So just going into a little bit more details around that, we developed this network management card with enhanced protection built in. The network management card was the first in industry to meet both UL and IEC cybersecurity requirements. And the gigabit network card is a purpose-built to prevent or minimize the harm that cyber attacks can cause. And with that also, we have more information in an Eaton cybersecurity solution brief, which I'm sure will be linked into this conversation.
Let's move on to the next question. So with everything in mind that you just mentioned, where is the greatest opportunity for solution providers to make money? I think at the end of the day, we're very passionate about making sure our customers are safe, secure, and powered up. But we got to make money for our partners.
Yes, you're right. And that's what we're in business for, right? If we go into the value points around lithium-ion UPS, and more specifically on the single-phase UPS side, we can talk about the set it, forget it message. And that's 8 to 10 years life of a UPS and battery pack versus 3 to 5 for that battery pack refresh on the VRLA comp UPS. Also, it's more runtime. It's longer warranty, upwards to 5 years. It's also reduction of installation time, saving time and money there. So for the partner, there's an additional margin in selling this technology versus the VRLA solution due to the average sell price being around 2 times, let's say 1.8 to 2 times the VRLA solution.
What verticals do lithium-ion UPSs currently sell into the best?
After we launched originally in the online UPS world, back in 2021, we were the first to market, by the way. We are seeing the big trend is going to education, and specifically K through 12 and E-rate bids. So we've seen a lot of traction there, also in healthcare. And then I would say our third segment that's been very popular with lithium-ion sales has been enterprise. So those are 3 different verticals and applications that we're really selling into the most with lithium-ion UPSs. We are really arming these partners with everything they need in terms of battle cards. And battle cards is like looking at versus our competition where we have the advantage, right? It's also understanding where are they selling into and what applications fit for the lithium-ion UPS versus that VRLA solution, which has historically been our main solution, right? So it's really making sure that we, Eaton, and our Eaton team is able to support these partners selling lots of these opportunities with lithium-ion UPS.
So follow up to that one, how can partners grow their businesses and bottom lines selling this technology? And how does Eaton multiply that success potential for its partners?
Once again, it's going back to finding the right application where this set it, forget it message really resonates. It's also looking at, okay, we understand with the lithium-ion UPS, there's a larger CapEx cost, right? That original cost. But looking at the lifetime of the UPS, obviously, if you're moving from a service life of 4 to 5 years versus 8 to 10 years for that lithium-ion UPS, your operating expenses go down to 0, right? So it's really understanding those correct applications to sell it in, because we're not going to sell that lithium-ion UPS in every application, but the market is trending. And there's many opportunities that are moving to that lithium-ion UPS. Okay, so that's the one point. The second point is that with the acquisition of Tripp Lite back in 2021, we are truly a one-stop shop. We're talking about full solutions. So we're going into any of these applications network closets, for example, IDFs, MDFs, and we have a full solution to really fill out that BOM. So that's talking about the racks and enclosures. That's talking about PDUs and including our new launches, which is our universal PDUs and our G4 PDUs. And then going further beyond that is talking about cables, cable trays, KVMs. I mean, you name it, anything you can find in that rack, we sell it.
We love a one-stop shop. That's excellent. And speaking of potential here, what if a potential partner doesn't really have the experience in selling UPSs or honestly any sort of power solution? Can they still partner with Eaton?
Katie, yes, definitely. We're making sure that we connect our resellers, our partners, with all the teams they need, right? If they are not completely educated on our full solutions, and believe me, we have many, many individuals within DIT and Eaton that don't understand the breadth of products that we have, right? A lot of times high level across many portfolios. So we have our pre-sales teams, we have our field sales teams, we have the support systems to make sure that we can do on-site assessments, walk them through what the need is, whether it be a battery pack refresh, UPS refresh, or complete rebuild, and understand how to build out that bill of materials correctly.
Really well put there, Sami. So what's next for Eaton in the physical infrastructure space this year?
Well, so, coming from the product line, obviously we're overseeing lots of different launches, whether it be net new product or a next generation product. So in terms of one of our more popular product lines, our online UPS portfolio, we're launching the new 9PX Gen 2. And that's actually happening right now through beginning of Q2. So with that portfolio at 5 to 11 kVA, we're looking at efficiency gains up to 4 to 5%, right? So that goes back to that message of operating costs and lowering that for our end user. It's a great story for our resellers. It's also looking at reducing the chassis size. That helps with installation time. It also saves IT rack space. There's also a good story behind this launch in terms of what we're offering for advanced battery management. We're calling it ABM Plus. And it's a proactive alert built into that UPS. And not to go too far into the details or weeds, I don't want to lose anybody, but what's great about it is for our customers, for our end users, it gives them a proactive alert according to real life analytics of when that battery pack needs to be refreshed. So it's something that hasn't been done yet with our product, and we're going to incorporate that with all new UPSs coming out. But another good story to tell with this launch. So we're always launching new product and innovating.
Innovating with your partners. I love it. So where can interested providers go to learn more about partnering with Eaton?
A good start is our portal. Our Eaton Power Advantage Partner Program has a great portal. And to do a quick overview of that program, it's really ensuring that our channel partners, our resellers, grow their business, right? So we can do that with these partners and resellers, as well as datacom and managed service providers. But these partners, once they're in that portal and part of the program, so there's three tiers which allow additional discount and price protection via our deal registration program. It's also making sure that they have the sales trainings they need and have access to all of our sales teams, right? Talking about site assessments. We have MDF funds that support that. And we have all the support systems within Eaton to help our resellers once they're part of that program.
Sami, we look forward to watching this year as Eaton continues to grow with its partners. But thank you so much for your time today.
Katie, I appreciate the time.
Thank you. And thanks to you at home for joining us. For more episodes of Partner POV, you can check out channelinsider.com. Once again, I'm Katie Bavoso, and I'll see you next time.